What's up guys, this is Just Team. Today's coin airdrop project to introduce is HyperLane. It's a project that has received investment of around $18.5 million from Galaxy Digital, Circle and others. Similar to Wormhole, it's a project that could potentially bring significant profits to those who participated, so it's important to participate. Although the process may seem unfamiliar, if you follow my video instructions, you can easily participate, so please make sure to do so. Furthermore, I will separate each wallet according to the Wormhole airdrop civil standards. I will only use the IBC wallet for IBC related tasks and keep it separate from EVM and Solana wallets. Please keep this in mind while watching the video. To proceed with the HyperLane task, you will need some preparation. Please prepare as shown on the screen. It's not necessary to use the exact wallets I've listed. These are just the wallets I'm using. Feel free to use your own wallets if you have different ones. When performing these tasks, as I've mentioned repeatedly, both total volume and transaction count are important. The video serves as a sample, so don't worry about the number of coins you bridge. Instead, perform the task with the volume and transaction count you desire. For instance, if you bridge $1,000 worth of Celestia in one transaction, your volume is $1,000. If you bridge twice, it becomes $2,000. I recommend aiming for a volume of at least $10,000 and a transaction count of over 30. From now on, I'll demonstrate the process step by step. All the links you need for the task are provided in the video description. All you have to do is follow along with the video. Let's get started right away. With that, the HyperLane task is complete. As I mentioned, make sure to fill in the minimum volume and transaction count. Many people who participated in the wormhole airdrop earned significant profits. Don't miss out on potential gains due to laziness. Since real-time information is more suitable for Telegram channels due to the nature of YouTube, please refer to the updates posted there. If today's video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.